Okay. I mean, I don't need the GPS, but I like having it. I love having. Oh man, here it's like red. Oh, might be my watch strap. I think it is. Fuck. I need to see the reviews for this watch. Oh, now I'm gonna have to. Yeah. I want to, but I'm gonna have to take off my Garmin Phoenix 7 off and use the other watch from now on. Ah, damn, that hurts. No wonder.
Every month, an index annuity tied to growth in the stock market, but without any risk of loss or effort. It's guaranteed money for life income, no matter how long you live.
I need my stupid. I need my Bluetooth on. Stupid.
Not really. You are a songwriter.
Discover the true untold story of Steve Brewer, extraordinary woman behind outlaw country music, starring Mandy Moore and featuring DJ Osborne.
They call it the Boar's Nest. It's just my apartment. You never know who will show up.
In a new 60s Audible original. Any advice?
Yeah, just feel something.
The Boar's Nest. Steve Brewer, first of outlaw country music.
The original KMJ, 580 AM, 105.9 FM, Fresno, a Cumulus media station.
Heading to the Middle East. I'm Lee Silicera, Fox News. The White House says the national security advisor is heading to Saudi Arabia and Israel over the weekend.
National Security Advisor John Kirby said at Friday's White House briefing that NSA Jake Sullivan will further discuss Israel's operations in Rafah, even as the U.S. is withholding large bombs from Israel over concern about that operation. Kirby said Israel is obligated to root out Hamas, even in Rafah.
Jake's going to raise this issue when he goes to Israel on Sunday. They have a right and responsibility to do that. How they do that matters. And that's part of the conversations that we also want to have and Jake will have.
While Israel's military's gone into Rafah, Kirby has said the operation's been limited so far. He confirmed that the U.S. built a pier off the coast of Gaza is finished, and 300 pallets of humanitarian aid has gone to the U.S. in charge of distributing it.
Fox's Jessica Rosenthal. Russian President Vladimir Putin claims the offensive in Kharkiv in Ukraine is not to capture the city, but to create what he calls a buffer zone. This comes as Ukraine says it will allow prisoners to join the army's depleted ranks. Still few details about an attempted breach at Marine Base Quantico earlier this month. Two Jordanian nationals tried to get onto the base in a box truck on May 8th.
Fox News now confirms they were in the country illegally, but officials refused to release their identities. The only detailed information coming from a Quantico spokesperson. The driver, ignoring the direct instructions of the officers, continued to move the vehicle past the holding area and attempted to access Marine Corps Base Quantico. The officers were able to deploy the vehicle denial barriers, prevent any further access to Marine Corps Base Quantico, and detain the individual.
Fox's Chris Jenkins. Officials in Harris County, Texas, warn power outages from yesterday's strong storm could last for weeks. America is listening to Fox News.
The world of business moves fast. Stay on top of it with the Fox Business Rundown. Every Monday and Friday, Fox Business reporters, anchors, and hosts will bring you beneath the stock market speculation and boardroom drama to tell you about the biggest business stories of today. Whether you're on Main Street or Wall Street, Fox Business is invested in you. Listen to the Fox Business Rundown starting May 20th at foxbusinesspodcast.com, Apple, Spotify, or wherever you download your favorite podcast. Interesting people are talking to Will Kane.
I said, what do I call you? I call you Dwayne, I call you The Rock. He said, now that I own it, I can go on the Rock.
Yes, I own it now. You can call me The Rock.
Our next guest needs no introduction. It is Dr. George Peters, my old friend and friend, Peter Smith.
Doesn't make you a bad husband. Just
commercial and residential real estate. Go to HOEKSTRA.land. Hoekstra.land.
You know the first floor in Crawdaddy's can get a little wild when the crawdads kick it in and the crowd begins to rev up. It's like party time. The food, the service, the music, outrageous on that first floor, the legendary first floor of Crawdaddy's. A freestanding, three-story monument to all that is glory. But maybe you are the big glory. Company Americans trust to prepare. Go to MyPatriotSupply.com and secure their best-selling 3-month emergency food kits. Each contain delicious breakfasts, lunches, and dinners, averaging over 2,000 calories per day. Secure at least one food kit for each family member. For a limited time, save $200, plus get free shipping on all their Ready Hour 3-month emergency food kits. You're not ready if it's not Ready Hour Foods. My Patriot Supply also has solar power generators, water filtration units, biomass stoves, heirloom seeds, and critical survival gear. Shop MyPatriotSupply.com today. MyPatriotSupply.com.
Did you know that over 68% of all homes and buildings in the Bay Area contain dangerous lead paint? Hi, this is Matt Jesse, president of Jesse Painting. We take lead paint safety very seriously, and you should too. Our team is lead safe certified by the EPA and trained to safely and quickly encapsulate your lead paint. Don't put your family or neighbors at risk. Call 855-MB-JESSE today. MB-JESSE!
Talk Radio 560 KSFO. Like us on Facebook at 560 KSFO and stay up to date on the latest events. Talk Radio 560 KSFO.
And create amazing relationships. I am Rachel Cruz hosting this show today with my good friend and best-selling author Jade Warshaw, and we are here to answer your question. It is a free call anywhere in the country at 888-825-5225. So give us a call. We'll talk about your money. We'll talk about your life, your relationships, anything and everything. We are here for you. So first up, we have Chelsea in Des Moines. Hey, Chelsea.